Now, we were eager to do that in California, and I was very fascinated of the way how the people live in California between the water, Pacific Ocean, with the continuous coastal culture with that very hospitable coastal line, and moving inland when the people start to build their houses, their ranchers have their property, they have their own fences, they have barns, going to subdivision. We have a subdivision called Happy Acres, very funny subdivision, crossing one of the main preoccupation of Californians, the highways, and disappearing after the highways. And this is the entire project was running with that rural land, subdivision, a small town of Petaluma. The scale of the project was really the average height of these barns and garages, or the scale was something very related to the man-made structure in the landscape. Because only by having human activity we can have a scale of the work of art. The project was scheduled to be done in '75, and only we discovered that only once we get all the ranches, we discovered that big problems start with the governmental permission. We were believing that the ranches would be the problem in the beginning, but there was no problem with the ranches. And the way was hard. We need to convince some ranchers. We need to argue, but we were stopped with the governmental permits, and of course the committee to stop the running fence was taken to court, and we go to the appellate court in San Francisco when finally we get